Hi, I am Paint a Vessel, and I like drawing. Anyways, today we are going to make cartoon characters, and how I made my little persona. I'm going to teach you guys how to do it. This is a tutorial on how to make your own cartoon character simply. So, what I always start with is the head. This is like the main part of the cartoon character. This is my favorite part most of the time of making the character. Then you want to make a body however you want, neck or no neck. I do no neck because that's how my little guy works. My persona. Anyways. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I sometimes do this. But yes, this is the layout for the character. So, what we're gonna do now is add maybe some stuff to the torso. I'll do the head last. Okay, I'm just adding a hood. You don't have to. You can add whatever you want here. Because it's your cartoon. Or you can just copy me. I'm just gonna make some pockets now. And some of the stringy things. And now, the head. My favorite part. Yeah, gosh. I'm getting a bit rusty. There we go. There. Now I'm just adding a little extra detail. And yeah, that's basically the layout. If you are not drawing on paper and you're using a drawing site that is actually good, then you should add another layer. The reasoning for this is we already made this part, and now all we have to do is make the outline. You can use any kind of tool for this, or you can just keep it pencil. It's your character. Yet again. Okay. Now the leaves. Now the hood. Okay. Now the little strings. Or whatever they're called. Now, if I turn off this, there we go. It doesn't look the greatest, but I'm not the best at digital art, unless I'm using Magma or bigger tools. You see, if this wasn't a sketching tutorial, I could just do this really fast with colors. For example, I could just make the head. I'm just going to show this part just in case you are just like on digital and you want to do it a more simple way. Well, this is the solution. Yeah. Something wrong with my pad on this app thing website. Okay. And there. That's how I do it quick style. Well, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. It may not look the greatest, but it's just a sketch tutorial. So don't judge. See you guys later.